亞洲主教團協會社會傳播辦公室12月9號至12號喺聖方濟各大學舉行咗一場會議，主題係人工智能與亞洲嘅牧民挑戰。會議匯聚咗30幾名嚟自亞洲嘅代表，特別係教會媒體工作者，共同探討人工智能喺教會中嘅應用以及挑戰。周守仁書記喺會議揭幕彌撒嘅講道入邊表示，隨住人工智能嘅廣泛應用，揭示事實背後嘅真相變得更加困難。
We used to say in Cantonese Chinese, 有圖有真相 which means real fact is revealed in the photo. But can we actually say that with confidence nowadays? I don't think so. Maybe I'm more naive than you. You're more confident than me, but I don't think so. So, what should be required is sound ethical standard and professionalism of our Catholic media according to the gospel spirit. I think this is the basic we need to follow. Otherwise, how can we call ourselves Catholic media? We need to learn to discern His will, God's will, the Lord's will, for our mission in the shifting context. Things are changing very fast, shifting context, plus the inevitable involvement of AI. AI is here, here to stay, it's not going to go away. And AI can be very helpful, okay? So we're not trying to get rid of AI.
佢強調，社會無法拒絕人工智能，公教傳媒人應持守福音精神，並促進人與人之間嘅相遇。
I pray that as Catholic social media, social communicators, we will insist on speaking from ours, as well as our collective conscience formed in the Spirit. So now we go to synodality. So how do we form our spirit, our communal, the discernment also form our own conscience too. So let's pray that this meeting is going to really help us to liberate us and inspire us how to really work with AI to achieving blessings and what God intends us. Because I think AI is not from the devil. So AI comes and God will help us to learn how to use it well for humanity, for our common home.
周書記期望呢次會議能夠幫助亞洲嘅公教傳媒人善用人工智能嚟傳遞良知同天主嘅旨意。
人工智能喺今日呢個年代，一方面我哋睇到佢真係對我哋嘅生活啦，或者係人類嘅學習咧，其實係有好大嘅幫助嘅。咁但係同時咧，亦都有啲嘢咧係取代唔到人本身嗰個嘅智能啦。喺信仰角度嚟講，我哋係天主嘅受造物，我哋係按天主嘅模樣啦嚟到去受造。咁呢啲嘅模樣或者呢啲嘅肖像咧，其實佢係想講緊有一啲嘅屬靈嘅質素咧，係今日呢個人工智能咧係冇辦法取代到嘅。我覺得正正就係喺一個咁樣嘅人工智能發展得咁快嘅年代咧，教會更需要咧將呢一啲好似喺人性嘅當中係被遺忘、被忽視嘅呢一種咁樣嘅元素，即係譬如人與人之間嗰種嘅交流啦。嗰種嘅同理心啦，或者係一啲嘅情感方面、靈性方面嘅呢一種咁樣嘅需要咧，我哋更加係需要咧係保留或者係去推進又或者咧喺今日呢一個 AI 嘅時代咧，我哋利用呢啲咁樣嘅人工智能嘅時候咧，可唔可以更加幫助我哋去讓人嘅呢一個美好嘅形象咧，能夠係即係表達到出嚟、恢復到出嚟咧？
在教会没有特别开始一个 AI， 但是呢，我们一直支持学生好好善用 AI 的部分，所以这一方面我们多鼓励。特别翻译的，因为我们知道嘛，我们的资料都是用英文的，或是拉丁文的，或是法文，所以现在 AI 真的帮助我们很容易翻译，知道它的内容。最近我们所有的教会里面用的比较多的是这个翻译的部分 ，AI 的翻译的，就是特别那个教会的那个 AI。翻譯得比較好。
經過4日嘅會議， 總結出以下聲明：人工智能並非威脅，亦唔係解決問題嘅萬靈藥，而係一個嶄新嘅牧民領域，需要智慧嚟妥善運用。亞洲教會堅定不移咁推動以下幾項工作。